Good morning, dear students. You are learning about adaptation and climate of lesson 7 of your biology. So, in that you studied that animals that live in a very cold or hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves from extreme cold or heat. According to their habitat, animals adapt themselves with the help of some special features, and these features help them to survive in those situations. So in the last video you studied about, we were going through the polar region, and you studied about the polar bear, the adaptations in polar bear. Today you will read about adaptation in penguins. So another well-known animal living in the polar region is the penguin, which can survive due to the following adaptations. So let's read about their adaptations. The penguins are also white in color so that they can hide in the snow. They have thick skin with large fat content in their body so that they can survive with the cold weather easily. The penguins generally live in a crowd or huddle together so that they can stay warm. A diagram is given in your book. You can see that to understand that how they stay together, so that keeps them warm. The penguins are also very good swimmers. Their bodies are streamlined and have webbed feet, which allows them to swim and make them good swimmers. So, children, besides these two animals, there are also many other animals living in that habitat that has already been discussed to you earlier. So now we will read about some of the migratory birds in the polar region. So migration is a seasonal journey taken by different animals or birds to escape the extreme climatic condition and due to the search of food, because they are also move from one place to another in search of food also. Besides that, let us read about some of the migratory birds. The birds, in order to protect themselves from the cold weather of the winter in the polar region, often migrate from these areas to warmer places. Then they return back after the winter season is over. For example, if I say Siberian crane, every year it migrates to India in places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana from Siberia. These birds that migrate to different places during a change in weather often called migratory birds. They can travel as much as 15,000 km to escape from the extreme climatic conditions at home. The migratory birds fly very high so that the heat generated by the flight wings can be disposed of in the cold condition. Some birds, so how they move from one place to another, it's still a mystery. But it is said that some birds use landmarks to guide them. Some birds are guided by the sun during the day time and by stars during night. Some birds can use the magnetic field of the earth to find the direction. Besides birds, some fishes, insects and mammals also migrate seasonally in search of more favorable climates. So it is noted that while fish can remain underwater for long and birds must remain warm to survive. So they migrate to warmer regions when winter sets in. They come back after the winter is over. So children, as you have studied about these two adaptations, I hope you might have understood these two adaptations having in case of polar bears and penguins. So that's all for today. In the next class, you will study about tropical rainforests. Thank you.